I have a travel hack that's going to make your packing life so much easier and put your pre-check-in nerves at ease. All of this needs to fit into this one bag. But when we fly Jetstar, we know not only does it need to fit, but they're most likely going to weigh our bag. And extra luggage fees is not how we start a girls' weekend. So this packing hack means you can still pack the outfits you're undecided on and those just in case pieces. Just leave your undies and shorts at home. Because here's the thing, we wear dresses to keep cool. We only wear the shorts to stop our thighs sticking together, but they make us sweat. These are longer style bamboo underwear, no nylon added, so you can even sleep in them. And although they fold down to almost nothing, they provide just as much thigh coverage as a pair of shorts.